this video, we will be talking about how to export final Audacity projects into a final audio file. How you export your file determines the quality and shareability of your video. Before exporting, make sure to listen through your project carefully to make sure it sounds completely finished. The keyboard shortcut to export your file is Shift-Command-E. Alternatively, you can click on File, Export, and Export Audio. A window will appear asking you to name the project, select its destination, and choose a file type. A WAV file will be larger in size but better in quality. An MP3 or MP4 file is smaller in size but is lower quality. For most projects, MP3 or MP4 files are appropriate. While WAV files have better quality, the file size can make it challenging to distribute and download depending on the length of the file. Whichever file type you choose, please consider the requirements of the platform you plan to distribute your audio on. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other video tutorials.